Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best stand mixers.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 10, we have the Cuisinart SM551 Quart Stand Mixer. The Cuisinart SM551 Quart Stand Mixer is a feature-rich mid-range mixer perfect for people who are looking for a reliable appliance to use in their small business. This mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal and is powered by a 1000-watt motor, making it a powerful and heavy-duty appliance that can handle some heavy kneading. What makes it perfect for small business owners is its big bowl size and variety of speed options. This Cuisinart stand mixer has a 7-quart bowl and 12 speed options to choose from. It's also easy to operate given it's a tilt head mixer. The package comes with a few extra accessories such as a chef's whisk, a dough hook and a splash guard. More importantly, the mixer is covered by a 3-year limited warranty and a 5-year full motor warranty for your peace of mind. Based on user reviews, this Cuisinart lives up to its promise of being a heavy-duty appliance. It proved to be capable of handling intensive dough kneading jobs. Not only that, but the manufacturer's warranty also came through as users were able to send their units back in for repairs after years of use. One common complaint they have though is the loud noise this mixer produces while in use. Moving on at number 9, we have the Breville BEM800XL Scraper Mixer Pro. The Breville BEM800XL Scraper Mixer Pro boasts of being a mixer designed by bakers for bakers. This tilt head mixer can handle up to 5 quarts of contents in its stainless steel bow and comes with a 2-piece pouring shield. So you can expect to have plenty of room for making a batch of cookies and not be worried about cleaning up spills on your countertop afterward. Along with its 12 speed options, this Breville stand mixer features a very handy LCD screen which notifies you of the current speed option you're in. This eliminates confusion and decreases the chances of mistakes when mixing. What more, users have proven how this product eventually pays for itself after countless uses. They particularly liked how sturdy the mixer feels. However, some people commented that they would prefer a bigger bowl as this Breville 5-quart mixer can only handle kneading 1 loaf of bread at a time. At number 8, we have the Cuisinart 5.5-quart 12-speed stand mixer. Another Cuisinart mixer makes our list. This time it's the Cuisinart SM551 quart 12-speed stand mixer. This is the one to purchase if you're looking for a mixer that can handle some intensive mixing tasks. Its powerful 800-watt motor and 12 speed options can surely get you through any ingredient mixing task you need to accomplish. Another great thing is that you leave the thing running while you do other tasks as it has an auto shut-off feature. What more, the unit itself is very easy to clean. You can simply clean it with a damp cloth after use and throw in its accessories in the dishwasher. You won't have to spend so much time cleaning your mixer after baking. Bakers make the majority of people who bought and used this particular model. They were impressed by how stable this Cuisinart mixer was while it was kneading dough as compared to other more expensive mixers they had. Of course, they also loved how the auto shut-off feature allowed them to multitask in their kitchen while the mixer does its job. At number 7, we have the KitchenAid KP26M1XOB6Q Professional 600 Series Bowl Lift Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid KP26M1XOB6Q Professional 600 Series Stand Mixer will surely be a great addition to your bakery or restaurant kitchen. This commercial-grade mixer can handle big batches of cookies, up to 13 dozen at once, and almost 8 loaves worth of dough in its 6-quart stainless steel bowl. You can definitely meet your daily goal in less time with this mixer. With its 12 speed options, comprehensive bowl coverage, and 15 attachments, you can use this KitchenAid mixer to make pasta from scratch, shred some parmesan and of course knead big batches of bread dough. True to its bowl lift build, this KitchenAid mixer is quite heavy and heavy-duty. Users found it very stable while in use as it doesn't vibrate as much as other types of mixers. However, they also found the attachments that came with the product a bit too flimsy. At number 6, we have the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. If you're after the famous mixing action of KitchenAid mixers but want to save money at the same time, the Hamilton Beach 63390 stand mixer may be the best choice for you. Retailing at low cost, this small but powerful appliance has all the features you need in a stand mixer. It mimics KitchenAid's thorough mixing action for a complete bowl coverage with its 300-watt motor and 4-quart stainless steel bowl, making it the perfect choice for the home cook on a budget. What more, it comes with 7 speed options, which makes it fairly versatile in accommodating any mixing need you might have. It can also beat, whip, mix cream and blend ingredients with help from the 3 free attachments that come with it. And you don't have to worry about making a mess in your kitchen. This Hamilton Beach mixer comes with a handy splatter shield and non-slip feet, to prevent it from vibrating too much while in use. The appliance's body itself is made of durable plastic, which may be a red flag for some. However, users attest to its durability. Despite having doubts at first, given the product's very cheap price, users ended up surprised of how great it performed various mixing tasks with ease. At number 5, we have the stand mixer, Lychee 6-speed 7QT Kitchen Electric Food Mixer. Here we have another affordable stand mixer for home cooks and bakers on a budget. Try out new recipes with the help of the Lychee stand mixer. While it doesn't really bring anything new to the table when it comes to design, it offers every feature you might need in a mixer and does every task without fuss. This handy mixer offers users 6 speed options that are actually noticeably distinct from each other, so you can easily experiment with your bread recipes and more. People who bought this mixer model like how great it looks and how quietly it works compared to louder mixers. They also like how Lychee didn't skimp out on the quality of this mixer's free attachments. With these free attachments, users were able to make mashed potatoes, pizza crusts and bread loaves with ease. Overall, users were very pleased for the great deal they got by purchasing this small but powerful mixer from Lychee. At number 4, we have the KHEFTRONIC Stand Mixer's Stand Mixer. When it comes to kitchen appliances, you'd want something that looks as good as it performs. The Cheftronic Tilt Head Stand Mixer fits this description perfectly. Simply looking at its sleek and professional-looking design, you'll definitely think it's a high-end mixer that you'll be surprised to know that it's not. One great feature of this product is its convenient rotary dial for choosing among its 6 speed options, which makes changing speeds easier and faster. Another useful feature is its tilt head structure, which makes removing, placing the mixing bowl and changing attachments simpler. Unfortunately, the mixer doesn't come with a manual on how to operate it, which can be an issue at first. Users generally liked how quiet this mixer operates. You can decide to whip up a batch of cookies in the middle of the night without disturbing your family or neighbors. If the cheap price still makes you doubt about this product's durability, you can rest assured after your purchase, as it comes with a 2-year warranty. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach All-Metal 12-Speed Electric Stand Mixer. Here we have another product from Hamilton Beach. Hamilton lives up to its reputation of providing affordable but great quality kitchen appliances with the Hamilton Beach 63232 all-metal stand mixer. With features like 12-speed options and powerful 2-way mixing action, both beginner and expert home cooks will find this product a worthy addition in their kitchens. It can definitely handle any task you put it up to with ease and precision, from whipping up a batch of cookies to kneading through the thickest and densest of bread doughs. Its price range falls more into the middle range but is still affordable. Besides, it's surely a great investment that will eventually pay for itself over time. And in the rare chance that it won't, you'll have Hamilton Beach's 2-year warranty. Users surely loved this mixer given their positive reviews on it. They particularly liked that it's powerful and consistent enough to be able to mix batch after batch after batch of cookie batter and bread dough. However, some found its 4.5 quart bowl too small and would have preferred a 5-quart one. At number 2, we have the KitchenAid KSM150WH Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer. With decades of reputation and experience backing it up, it's no surprise that 2 different models of KitchenAid stand mixers top our list of the best stand mixers this 2019. At a close second comes the KitchenAid KSM150WH Artisan stand mixer. It's advertised as an all-in-one mixer that can handle any mixing need you might have and lives up to this promise and more. With this mixer's 12 attachments and 10 different mixing speed options, you can make anything from pasta, from scratch, to pastries. You can even use to grate cheese. But what's great about its many speed options is that you'll have full control over how you want your dough or batter to turn out. One downside though is that it comes with relatively low power, 325 watts, which might prevent you from using it for long periods of time to avoid overtaxing the motor. Though this won't be much of a problem if you're only using it to make small batches of pastries at home. And finally at number 1, we have the KitchenAid KSM75WH stand mixer. The KitchenAid KSM75WH Classic Plus Series stand mixer strikes the perfect balance with performance, quality, price, and versatility. It's the perfect companion for any home cook or professional chef. This mixer would make for a great first stand mixer for people who are looking for a high-quality mixer at an affordable price. For a low cost, you'll get a mixer that can perform tasks from kneading, mixing to whipping almost any ingredient you can think of. And although this mixer is marketed as a basic appliance, it performed almost up to par with higher-end mixers. What more, you can easily upgrade by buying more attachments from KitchenAid's line of compatible products. No wonder it has gained a following among home cooks and bakers over the years. The product is well recommended by people who have used it. They were particularly impressed by how smooth their batters turn out when mixed with this classic KitchenAid stand mixer. However, some said that found they bowl a bit small.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.